In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce main product image size in Dawn theme on Shopify. This walkthrough will show you how to change the main product image so it appears smaller on desktop, giving your product page a cleaner, more balanced look. Begin by opening your Shopify admin and going to the Online Store section, then to Themes. Locate the Dawn theme you're using. Click Customize to open the theme editor. This is where you'll make the visual changes without touching any code. So it's a safe and straightforward way to tweak your product layout. Once you're in the theme editor, use the top drop-down to choose products, and then select the default product template, or whichever product template you use for your store. This ensures the changes you make affect the correct product pages. The editor will update to show a preview of that template so you can see your adjustments in context. Look to the left sidebar where the product settings are grouped. Under Product Information, you'll find a setting labeled Desktop Media Width. This control determines how much horizontal space the main product image takes up on desktop screens. By default, it may be set to a larger value, which makes the image dominant. If you reduce this value, the image becomes smaller and other elements, like the product details and buy button, have more room. Change the Desktop Media Width setting to small or medium, depending on how much you want to reduce the image size. Some versions of the Dawn theme also offer a slider instead of fixed presets. If you see a slider, drag it gently toward the smaller end until the preview reflects the balance you want. Take a moment to observe how the image, description, and call to action elements rearrange themselves in the preview. After you've selected the size that looks best, click Save to apply the change. Saving commits the update so shoppers will see the new layout on your live site. A quick tip: prefer the small option if you want the text and purchase information to take visual priority, or medium if you still want the product imagery to be prominent but less overwhelming. Since these settings affect desktop displays, you may want to check how your page looks on different screen sizes using the preview tools in the editor, or by viewing your storefront on various devices to ensure the design works well for all visitors. That's it. A simple, built-in way to reduce the main product image size in Dawn without editing any code.